What are we having for dinner?
Whatever you're making. I don't know why this is so much fun. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh! Yes, whatever you say. Gosh, no, I'm not.
Get her.
Wow! Oh, God.
Ready?
Won't you? No, don't push Jessie. No. No, you love Jessie. You give her hugs. No, don't push her. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Give her a hug and a kiss. Give her a hug and a kiss. Ah!